In my video, I will give you detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of intrusive web push notifications which are coming from the site Astellihandl.xyz. Astellihandl.xyz is a site that displays misleading pop-ups. It tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you continue your browsing. The point is that it's a mistake to click on allow. On one hand, you may be redirected to some other deceptive sites. On the other hand, you may start receiving the tremendous amount of intrusive pop-ups that will be shown as web push notifications, which will be extremely annoying. To deactivate these pop-ups, you need to access the menu, then Settings, then choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. You need to remove this malicious site from the list. And if you see other junk sites like that, remove them too. Finally, in order to be sure that the computer is free of other threats, my recommendation is that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.